Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. It's me, and I'm gonna be going into the city to watch the Olivia Rodrigo concert. Here's my sister. How excited are you about this? She's excited on the inside, but she chose not to share her identity, so we're gonna work around that today. Anyways, that's it for the intro, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Okay guys, you caught me in the middle of going to Starbucks to grab some food and drinks for me and my sister before we hit the road. It's what she asked for, and I like their coffee, and I especially love the Starbucks muffin, so it's definitely a win in my book. All right, sister, what do you want from Starbucks? Tell me now. All right, guys, now that me and my sister have just gone to Starbucks, we got that much needed caffeine boost and are able to go to San Francisco and enjoy what's become a beautiful and scenic drive. Oh, guys, you won't believe what just happened. We walked into the hotel and I started to check in, and then the lady said, sir, you have to be at least 21 years old to check in. And me being 18 years old, I freaked out because I couldn't check in. And so I called mom to fix the situation. She's on her way, but now we're just walking around for the next 90 minutes or 2 hours or so, trying to figure out what to do before she can save the day. So yeah, quite an adventure already. Okay guys, now that we've gone into Safeway and we're gonna be walking around this part of the city for the next hour and 30 minutes or 2 hours waiting for mom to come, and we'll take you along for the ride to see what this part of the city has to offer.
Let's walk.
We're gonna go into the dugout store.
When the giants come to town, it's bye-bye Peggy with the San Francisco Giants.
Nope.
All right guys, now that we're walking out of the store, we're gonna be walking along the shorefront, and yeah, that was a cool store, but everything was so darn expensive I didn't get anything, so yeah, whoops. So I actually decided to take my sister to the Twin Peaks Hills at the center of the city to show her the wonderful sights the place had to offer. And while the views were breathtaking, my audio was ruined because of how windy the place was, which is actually why I'm voicing over right now, and you'll see what I mean once I show you the audio. Alright guys, I am here at Twin Peaks. Alright guys, now that mom's here, we're on our way back to the hotel, and she's here to save the day, so I'll update you on what happens. Alright guys, mom saved the day and checked us in, and we got a little special cameo from not only her, but also brother. And so we're on our way to the parking lot to go grab our clothes and my sister's makeup for the concert later, so stay tuned. Alright, we just got back from our cars with my sister's makeup and our backpacks, which is great because now we can finally relax and get ready for the concert. Alright guys, we finally got into the hotel with the intention of actually going into our room this time. Anyways, I thought I might do a room reveal in case you guys were interested in seeing what our room and place looks like. Alright guys, I'm already dressed and ready to go, and while my sister's putting on makeup, I figured I might as well make use of the time and read/practice my French, and also watch some YouTube, while enjoying the nice view the room has to offer. Alright guys, she's ready and we're on our way out. It's gonna be a long night. Anyways guys, as we're walking on our way towards the Chase Center, I figured that we might as well tell you about how we feel about Olivia Rodrigo and the concert. And without showing her face, I'm gonna ask my sister how excited she is. What do you think?
I'm very excited.
I, for one, am really excited because ever since she was on Disney Channel, I've been watching her content and listening to her music, so I'm excited for this. Geez, guys, it looks like I'm in the minority here. Come on, guys, you gotta give me reinforcements next time. It looks like only 1 out of every 10 people here is a guy. The gate's open, we can go in. But wait, we gotta take a photo first.
Hi, how many? 2. There you go, have a good night.
Yeah, we're in, yes! All right, guys, we're here waiting for the concert, and we can't wait to show you the highlights.
All right, guys, the concert's over and we're on our way out. My sister lost her voice. All right, guys, this looks like a long-ass line to get out of the stadium, so let's cut to the chase. All right, guys, the concert just finished and we just got out of the stadium, and I've got to say, that was quite the show. This is the first real concert I've been to, and it did not disappoint. In fact, not only am I going to download more of her songs, but I honestly think she should host a Super Bowl. The show was that good. So if you ever have the chance, I highly recommend you check Olivia Rodrigo's concert out. All right, guys, special cameo for my sister. Tell me your honest review of the Olivia Rodrigo concert.
It was really good, and I lost my voice.
1 thumbs up or 2 thumbs up?
2 thumbs up. Yeah, it was just probably one of the best nights I've ever had. It was great.
Awesome. All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie. After screaming a bunch of Olivia Rodrigo lyrics for 2 hours, I am parched. I'm so thirsty, and I'm very hungry. So I'm gonna stop by a place and grab some grub before I, hit the sack, Gosh darn, guys. Look how many people are going home from the concert. All right, guys, we found the place where we're gonna eat. Let's go inside. So, guys, I'm right here at Ike's Lovin' Sandwiches in San Francisco, and here are their most popular sandwiches. Guys, look at all of these stars who have visited Ike's Sandwiches. Halsey, Barry Bonds, Neil Patrick Harris, Steph Curry. Sorry, guys, I know you like hearing me list all these random celebrities you don't know, but I'm super thirsty. It turns out singing for 2 hours takes a toll on you. Thank you, bro. I love your place, guy. I think everyone should come here.
Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, did you want
All right, guys, we're on our way out. And, oh, that's a heavy door. And I'm gonna be quick on the way to the hotel because I am starving and cannot wait to eat this.
Wow, this sandwich I got, the Madison Garbiner, if it's any indicative of the sandwich shop I went to, Ike's, then I highly recommend you check it out. Yeah, sister, these sandwiches are way better quality than Subway. I don't know why you ever doubted me. All right, guys, now I'm gonna try the sandwich my sister got, the Ike's cheesesteak, and let's give it a go. All right, guys, that was a really good sandwich, and I'm even jealous of my sister because I think it's better than the one I got. So, again, if you ever go to Ike's, I highly recommend you try their stuff out. Oh, sorry, guys, you caught me in the middle of something. Anyways, it's 11:30 now, and me and my sister are super tired, so I'm gonna wrap up this video so I can get to bed. But I can't stress enough that as a content creator, I really appreciate you guys making it this far into the video. But yeah, that's it. Until next time, I shall see you guys later.